Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of printing press business. So let's take an example that you are a printing press owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your printing press business advertisement. With those ads, you are getting a lot of enquiries or leads on daily basis. But you are unable to message or reply to those leads and lose a lot of potential clients. Now, you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which will ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your leads from your Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your printing press brochure or flyer, and send it to the customers. But this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes actually impossible when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your printing press brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page, A to Z Printing Press. This is the Facebook lead ad form, printing press brochure form. And this is the form actually looks like printing press brochure form. This is the brochure which I have saved in my Google Drive, the printing press brochure. And this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form on my Facebook page, automatically the printing press brochure should be shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number over here. So let us just fill this form. I'll give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith, and I'll just give his mobile number over here. And let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let's check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith. Thank you for showing your interest in A to Z printing press. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our printing press. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, A to Z Printing Press. Okay, now let us check this link also. What is there inside this link? So here I can find printingpressbrochure.pdf. Okay, so the printing press brochure is shared with the customer as a link. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled this particular form, the Facebook lead ad form, and automatically the link of the brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. So I'll be going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your printing press brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are using 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here, we have to come to Products and click on Connect, Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. Here in the All Apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as Use WhatsApp for Marketing of Printing Press Business. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your printing press brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, let us select new lead. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Okay, and now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on our Facebook account, and here we have to select the lead generation form that we are running on this particular page. So I'll just show you the page which I have created on my Facebook account. This is A to Z Printing Press. This is the page name. So I have to select this particular page, and this is the Facebook lead ad form. Okay, the page is getting open over here. Printing Press brochure form. So we have to select this particular form. So let's move to Pabbly Connect, and here let us select A to Z Printing Press. Okay, this was the page name. And here we can see that the lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have just single form on this particular page. If you have multiple forms, from the drop down, you can select the form whatever you want. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to create an entry, or first we have to fill this particular form because say after clicking on save and send test request, this option is going to capture the recent response. Okay. So for that we have to go to the Facebook lead ad form, and here we have to just fill up the details of any of the customer. So let's give the name as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let's give the name as Shikha Arya, and I'll just give the mobile number over here. Okay, and now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now we have to click on save and send test request. And now here we can see the responses received and the data which we have filled in the form, that is Shikha Arya, her phone number and the email address is captured over here. Now we want to send the printing press brochure to this particular customer on this mobile number. For that we have to come to this action window, and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now here it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So first we have to go to 360 Dialog account, and then we will be moving to WhatsApp account page. So I'll just take you to 360 Dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts, and here we can find generate API key option. You have to simply click on generate API key, generate the key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect, and you have to paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Okay. Now the domain is required. Enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key. Example is also given. So let us simply copy this example from here. Okay, and I'll be pasting the example over here. So whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. After submitting API key and domain, simply click on Save. As I already created a connection, so I'll be just clicking on this Choose Existing Connection and I'll just click on Save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So as we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook. Once the template is approved, then only the template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to my 360 dialog account, and here we can find Manage Templates option. Click on this. Now here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, just come to this plus sign, click on Add Template. Now here you have to select the template name. You have to select the category. There are several categories available over here. You can select it as per your choice. Here you can select the language. From here you can select template type. And here you can give the body text, that is the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on Preview and Submit. Then it will be going for the approval. And once this template is approved, then you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I have also already created a template and got it approved. So I'll just open that template, that is Send Brochure Final. So here, let us read the template. Hello, 1 is given. Thank you for showing your interest in. So here I have given some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in curly braces. So you might be thinking why I've kept these numbers in the curly braces. Just because these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change as the customer fills the form. So as you can see, hello, we want the customer name over here in the first parameter. So whenever the customer fills the form, the customer name is going to change every time. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your printing press organization name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our, again you can give the printing press a link. Here you can give the link of your brochure or the flyer. For more details, you can visit our website. Here the website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here you can give the printing press name once again. So here we are going to select Send Brochure Final template. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here let us select the template Send Brochure Final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number is required. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the message. So we have got the customer details here from Facebook lead ad forms. So we are going to map this mobile number and this customer name from here. So I'll just go to the recipient mobile number, and here let us select the mobile number. Okay, it is mapped now. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. In our template we want the first parameter as the name of the customer. So in the Pabbly Connect we are going to map the name of the customer from Facebook lead ads, and the name was Shikha Arya. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. In the template we require thank you for showing your interest in. Here your printing press name is going to come. So here the printing press name is A to Z Printing Press. So we have to simply type this particular name here in body field 2. Okay. Now body field 3, let us move to 360 dialog template once again, and here we can find, meanwhile you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our, here you can give printing press. So I'll just type printing press over here. Okay. Now body field 4, here we have to give the link in our template also. Link is required over here. So I have saved my brochure in the Google Drive over here. I'll just simply make a right click and I'll click on this share option. From here I can get link option. I'll have to click on copy link. The link will be copied to the clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and simply paste the link over here. Okay. Now body field 5 example is given a website address. Here in the template also, for more details you can visit our website. So website address is required. I'll just go to the Facebook page and from here I'll just copy this URL. You can give the website address and I'll just paste it over here. Okay. Now the last parameter is body field 6, that is the name of the company. Once again, your organization name. So the organization name was A to Z Printing Press. We have to simply type the same text over here also. And now let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. So let us go to the WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can find a new message. Hello Shikha Arya. Thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Printing Press. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our printing press. So here we can see the correct template is displayed over here. Now here we have given this as body field 1 value, Shikha Arya. This was body field 2 value, Printing Press, A to Z Printing Press. This was the body field 3, Printing Press. This we have given the link. This was the 4th one. This was the 5th parameter and this was the 6th one, A to Z Printing Press. So here we can see that the correct values of the body fields are displayed properly. Now let us check this link also. What is there inside this link? So here I can find printing press brochure.pdf file. Okay, so a printing press brochure is shared with the customer. So now here we can see that the correct message is displayed. So I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect. And first we have to simply save this workflow. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and we have to create one more entry on the name of some other customer. So let us give the email address as Sanjay Sharma 22@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Sanjay Sharma and let's give the mobile number over here. Okay, and now let's click on next and submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. Now let's check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can see a message. Hello Sanjay Sharma. Thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Printing Press. So the same message is sent on this particular number also to this particular customer, that is Sanjay Sharma. Now let us recheck this link also once again. And here also we can find printing press brochure. It is shared with the customer. So now in this way we can see that we have created a successful integration and the integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your printing press brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.